Yeah, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Shut up, Mustang. I don't know if you guys remember Marc. He's in the vlogs. I'm waiting for him to get off work actually, and oh my god, I'm looking at his car right now. Just got a new part, front bumper, and this is the best mod he's ever done. This is my favorite mod of his. This thing looks fucking amazing. I wanted to check out his bumper. He's not here yet, but are you ready to see his bumper? It's fire. Ooh, this is freaking beautiful. Oh my god. So he went with a Varis front bumper. I love Varis. I wanted all of their parts for my Beamer back in the day. This thing is like absolutely perfect. You know, I love every JDM bumper because they usually have this. It's kind of like a Nismo Z-Tune GTR type of vent. Mine kind of has like a little baby one over there. Damn, this thing is gorgeous. Hey, JDM boys. The man of the hour right here. What up?
What's good, bro? Elbows.
Dude, how are you loving this bumper?
I love it, dude. It's crazy when I picked it up too. Like, there was like an Huracan and there was like a McLaren next to it.
Yeah.
I didn't give a shit about any of those cars, dude. Like, I was just so focused on this. But yeah, pulling up to it, it's like a whole different car.
Dude, it really is.
People out there, if you're gonna get any Varis parts, get the front bumper first.
Oh yeah, this is what stands out the most.
Side skirts are cool and stuff like that, but man, when you get the front bumper, it changes the whole look. Like,
Yo, honestly, I think I like this bumper better than the Evo Varis. I know the Evo has like 3 different versions or whatever.
Varis in general is just really sick.
It's a good ass brand.
Yeah. We're about to go pick up one more part for the car already, because the front's missing one more thing.
We're gonna go pick up some parts for him real
Driving
quick.
all the way to Anaheim. Thank you for coming with me.
Oh yeah, of course. I wanted to see this. This is like the main thing. Also to see you, obviously.
You know.
But dude, this is perfect. Like, oh my god. All right, well,
So, yeah.
let's fucking get you these parts. Getting a little bit of gas because it's really cheap and we're gonna drive far. Oh, this is the new ride height?
This is the new guy.
Nice. It still looks low, so it's all good. Dude, you're literally like the same height as me off the ground. You're the same height as me. Welcome to the club of monster trucks.
Hey, I don't mind it. It looks good.
All right, let's head out. That is my freaking dream Porsche. That color and everything. Oh my sheesh. That thing was so loud. Oh my god. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of that Porsche. Damn, bro. Sick LEDs. I want to get some lights like that in the future, so hopefully I can make it happen. Them shits are expensive because you have to go full custom. Oh wow, big wang. Big wang gang. Marc got his little goodies, thanks to your boy. He couldn't pull out cash from the ATM because it's a little weird right now with the limits and the corona. So I spot him real quick. This isn't the guy's house, but check out this freaking car. Oh my god. I want one of these so bad. I don't know who lives here and I don't want to put their address. Hopefully one day he sees one of my videos and he sees his car because I need to know who this man is. The wing, the color, the diffuser, I even like those wheels. How much you want to bet that he's bagged and he's just too lazy to air out? We're gonna check out this parking lot over here just to film some cinematics. I freaking love his bumper. He added some silver flake, kind of like his paint. Dude, it complements it so much.
A lot of people will do like a dark gray or even just a solid black.
Yeah, totally worth it. Alright guys, so we found this spot to do some cinematics real quick before we head back home, and I really wanted to showcase Marc's bumper, so what better way than some cinematics? I hope you guys enjoy. made it back home. I hope you guys enjoyed those cinematics. Marc's car is looking beastie. I freaking love it. The coolest thing about this is that a few months back, we talked about getting these bumpers. I wanted the black pearl so bad. I told him about it and I showed him, and he told me about the Varis, and I'd already known about the Varis bumper. That's my favorite Subaru bumper that you can get. Dude, we both made it happen. That is so crazy to me. Marc, thank you for letting me film your car and come out. I know it's a little sketchy during this time of quarantine. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you team Lexus or are you team Subaru? Subarus are dope because I just love the turbos and the spool. If only Lexus had better turbos. The reliability is key. I really want to supercharge someday, or even potentially do a full custom single turbo. I don't know, I'm on the fence about it, but this is in the future, so hopefully I can afford to do either or. I also wanted to show you guys another cool build from Saudi Arabia. It is 9 Mesh on Instagram. Check this out. His car is freaking beautiful, and it's twin turbo, so he makes me want to do this custom setup, but I'm on limited funds and maybe someday. This is goals though. Check him out. But what is your favorite brand if you don't like Lexus or Subaru? So right now I have a few orders to get out. Guys, we also still have windshield banners. I only have a few left, but get them while you can because these are limited. Huge thank you to all of you guys who did order a hoodie, a shirt, stickers, or a banner. You all are amazing. We are prepping for the next drop. I can't wait to show you guys. We finally got word from distributors that we're able to get stuff in. It's gonna be one of my favorite designs so far. I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pretty much wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please check out my boy Marc's channel. He just started YouTube a while ago and he's been as consistent as he possibly can, especially with all his parts being super expensive. So please show him some love. Check out his videos and subscribe to him. Hopefully in the next video, I can show you guys the air suspension that I'm going to get. Fingers crossed, let's hope I get it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.